Hey everybody, Josh here from Teach Yourself Websites. Today I'm going to show you how to put a contact form on your website, which is one of the most common things you want to do. I'm going to use a WordPress plugin called Contact Form 7. It's a really neat little plugin, very easy to set up and use, and it's also probably one of the more popular plugins for WordPress as well. So you can find it in the WordPress.org plugin directory. Or you can come over to your dashboard and you go to plugins and then click on add new and do a search and add it that way. I've already installed it here. I'll put a link in the show notes to a video post on how to install plugins. So the way when you activate Contact Form 7, you'll see this contact little section appear in the left hand side of your dashboard. And if you click on that, you'll see all the contact forms you have on your site, and you can add multiple contact forms, which is really handy if you have, say, a quotes page, and you've got a general contact form page, and you've got a support page. You know, you can put a contact form on each one of those, and they'll all be different. So when you install it, you get a contact form already installed. And if you click on this, you can just start editing this contact form straight away. The other option is you can click on add new and add another contact form. So this is the contact form page. You can give your form a name. So I'm going to call mine contact page form. Just click away there. And this is sort of what your form is going to look like, and it's HTML code. You don't really need to know how to code HTML to be able to do this. You can just copy and paste one of these if you want to add in another field. You can also generate tags on the right hand side here. Say if you wanted a drop down menu, you can put one of those in. You just follow the instructions here. So for a drop-down menu, I want to make my choices in the list. Maybe it's question, and maybe it's support, or something else. Let's go with other. So now that I've got this, I can just select this bit of text here, right-click and copy. And then I might just drop that in underneath the email bit. So I've got my select thing here, but I need to also grab this little P, which stands for paragraph. I'm also going to grab this little bit of text at the front here, just to make it look exactly like it does there. What are you contacting me about? Okay, so there's one more step here to get the result of this little drop-down list that we've created here. To get that sent to you as well, you need to copy this little bit of code, and this next section here called mail tells you, it basically delivers an email to you, to your email address, with the details of whoever sent the form in. So you want to put in maybe reason, and you can just pop that into that message body there. So that's the email message body. Make sure that your email address, the to part, is sending to your email address, and from will actually be from the person who's submitting the form. And you'll see how it's got the square brackets, your dash name, and then your dash email in there. That actually means it's going to appear like it's coming from that other person. So when you hit reply in your email, you can actually just reply straight to that person. Subject as well is another one of the fields up here. You can pop that there so it populates that. Alright, the rest of the settings you don't really need to worry about changing. It's all default settings there. If you click on save, that's that contact form saved, and now the next step is to actually put that into a page. So to do that, you need to copy and paste this little bit of text here. So I'll just copy that, and this is called a shortcode. A shortcode in WordPress basically lets you drop in something like this, and it tells this plugin to then replace that bit of text with the form. So if I click on pages, I've already got a contact me page here. I'm just going to edit that. And I'm going to pop in the form there. So I'll just paste that in. So I'll put the contact form shortcode in there. If I click on update, and now if I view the page, we'll see my cool little contact form. So here's the form. We saw name, email. Here's the new drop down part. You can put in the subject and the message, and then they hit send, and that shoots off an email to me. One of the cool reasons you want to do this is because it's not always a great idea to put your email address straight on the page, because spammers tend to go around and scrape these websites and grab email addresses, and you'll be getting a whole heap of spam. So putting a contact form like this on your page instead is a great way to get around that, and you can also collect a bit more information about what the person's contacting you for. So that's how you put a contact form on your web page.